What is going on today, everybody? Hope everyone's doing well. We're out here riding Revelstoke. Gorgeous views today. We got Nathan, haven't ridden with him since this time last year. Good to see you, buddy. Got Danny, Turbo Danny, and the Super Lemon. And we got Brad. Should be a good time. Got some awesome weather. Sleds are running super hot on the trail. Man, the trail up to Boulder today is just terrible. Just pounded right out. Yeah, right on. Made it up to the Alpine. Everyone's just having a drink and filling up sleds. Everyone's getting their sunny day goggles and sunglasses out. It's the sun is really hot. It's packing some heat for sure, but we're gonna head up top here and maybe get the drone out for some sweet shots. So yeah, beauty day at Boulder Mountain. Yeah.
That was neat.
That was awesome.
Thanks, man. Whoa.
Whoa, that was nice and close. I gotta look at that. There's a lot of snow spray, a little hard to see. Getting a bit further in the day here. Clouds starting to roll in a little bit. It's pretty high in the sky, but not bluebird anyway. But yeah, kind of moseying our way back towards the trail again here, and what an awesome day. Ended up hanging out at that little jump there for a couple hours, and awesome. Good day, boys.
Good day.
Good day.
Great day.
Hey. Nice. Well, it's currently 4 o'clock. Sunday. We all go to work tomorrow. But yeah, we're just gonna start heading out the way out here. It's a bit of a sketchy one getting out of here, so hopefully it goes smoothly. But yeah, so. Well, currently 5:25. Made her down, got everything loaded up. We're about ready to roll out. It was a good day today. That was awesome. I wish I'd tried a little more maybe, but I wasn't really feeling it today, so would have liked a re-entry and all that, but you guys killed it today.
Man.
It was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
So. Okay, so warping past a bit of time here, a couple days later, give you guys your weekly truck update. So the guys did work on it last weekend. Nothing big has changed, but show you guys anyway. So they got working on some wire looming, getting that stuff tidied up. Still have a bit to do yet. And they got the clutch done. So the clutch is all functioning and everything. So basically at this point, all that's left is to put a battery in it. They're going to be working on putting the rad, mounting that up, getting all the hoses to it and everything. They've got one, the belt tensioner on the front of the motor. The one that came with the truck is kind of cockeyed, so they had to get a new one of those. So they have that, just got to put it on. And I think sometime this week, the drive shaft is heading off to the drive shaft shop to get changed, the length changed on it. So yeah, should be hopefully up and driving pretty soon here actually, but it's exciting stuff. So that I think is more or less the truck update for this week. It's getting there. So as always, if you made it this far in the video, really appreciate it. Editing the video there, I was just absolutely blown away. Those areas out by Revelstoke there are just always incredible, especially on those sunny, clear days. As for future videos, we've got some rough plans to head back out to the mines, do some more mine exploring. But other than that, nothing real concrete, but that should be hopefully coming up soon here. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.